Hello, hello, hello. Magandang araw. Welcome back sa lahat ng Aries. At sa mga bago, welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading. Ngayon na, Mismo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin ay ang inyong weekly love reading para sa March 16 to 22. O diba, ang bilis ng panahon. Papasok na ang inyong season. Aries season is coming. Okay? And tingnan natin ano yung energy na masasagad ko sa regarding sa inyong love life ngayong papasok ang inyong season. Okay. So, habang binabalasa ko ito, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Aries na sumusuporta at patuloy na sumusuporta sa aking channel. Okay, sana marami pang Aries na sumuporta and continue to like all the videos na napapanood mo. Okay, it helps the channel grow. At sa mga bago, sana supportan nyo ang aking channel by subscribing to Mystico Moreno YouTube channel, liking this video, sharing it sa mga kilala nyo pang Aries, and commenting below lalo kung mag-resonate yung video. Okay, so bubunit ako ng tatlong cards from this deck. Okay? And that would be the overall energy ng reading ninyo. Okay, I'll take the third card for March. First card, Seven of Coins. Second card, King of Wands. And third card, Nine of Cups. Ang galing mo. Alas magkakakulay sila. Alright. So, your energy for the energy of your love life for this week, guys. Seven of Coins, King of Wands, and Nine of Cups. So, ang nakikita ko dito, there's medyo magkakaroon ng reflection and re-evaluation when it comes to the connection between you and your person. So, ang nakikita ko dito is that yung medyo kasi parang ang bagal nung growth or yung pag level up ng relationship. Either parang siguro it's been months of dating and gusto niyo nang mag next level na kayo or maging kayo na pero it's taking a while or meron kayong mga plans for engagement or wedding pero napupush back siya na napupush back. So there's and because of sa mga kanya-kanyang priorities or mga pinagkakabisihan ng both parties. So, ang nakikita ko dito, there will be some sort of reflection and evaluation dito sa to make these plans or yung mga milestones na mas mangyari na siya sooner than later. Okay? And itong si King of Wands will be more leadership in a way na para mas magiging proactive kayo to make this thing, yung mga plans, yung mga activities, yung mga goals ninyo sa relationship, to make this thing happen again sooner than later. And as shown here by the Nine of Cups, it's a card of fulfillment eventually. So once maging mas proactive kayo sa pag-deal or to move things forward faster, di ba? Hindi naman sinasabi na magmadali kayo, pero parang ang energy kasi na nasasagap from the Seven of Questions, parang it's been a while na. Parang kumari dapat by this year or by this month, parang nag-travel na kayo together, may mga ganong plans, or may nag-invest na kayo sa ganitong activity, business, or um, nag-set na kayo ng date or nag-avail kayo ng ganitong bagay, ganyan, together. Pero, again, parang, wait lang, ba't parang hindi pa nangyayari? Or bakit parang madedelay na naman? May mga ganun. So, what I can sense here nga is, dito si Nine of Cups is, it will happen naman yan. And it will be fulfilled soon. Once na mas naging proactive kayo sa pag-achieve nun. Okay? So, tingnan natin yung um, details kung bakit ito yung overall energy ng reading ninyo this week. Okay, just to remind everyone that this is a collective reading, so it may or may not resonate with all Aries. Okay, pwede hindi ko nasagap yung energy ninyo. Kaya abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Kaya important na nakasubscribe kayo para updated kayo sa mga posts ko. Okay? And pwede nyo rin panoorin yung mga past videos na na-post ko na baka isa doon kasi dito naman sa tarot, right? Ano siya? Timeless naman siya. Okay? Alright. So, bubunot ako ng 8 cards from this. Third card ulit. Simulan na natin. Ace of Wands, first card. Second card, Five of Cups. Okay. Third card, Two of Swords. Fourth card, Page of Pentacles. Fifth card, Seven of Wands. Sixth card, the Temperance. Seventh card, King of Pentacles. And last card, Ace of Swords. Okay. So, yeah, it's still a good reading from Ace to Ace. Okay. And bottom of the deck, the Empress. Okay. All right. So what I first there's a strong energy of Sagittarius and Taurus reading nito. So pwede yun yung signs ng person ninyo but doesn't have to. Yun lang yung strong energy na nasasagot sa reading nito. But check your person's Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Baka yun din yung signs kasi nila. Alright. Sige, from Ace of Wands to Ace of Swords. So it says still good. May mga kailangan lang i-resolve in between. So Ace of Wands. Okay, there's a new beginning between the two of you. I think the new beginning talaga na sinasabi dito is yung once na naging proactive na kayo or pag-decide nyo na okay, we have to do this now. Okay, hindi na kailangan i-delay yung mga plans, mga activities, mga slow things happening sa relationship. Okay, so there's a new beginning between the two of you, something na you really desire already sa relationship. Okay, like yun nga, yung mga nabanggit ko kanina na activities or even plans as a couple, diba, yung mga desires ninyo, um, yung parang purpose, in a sense, purpose nyo as a couple together, you really have the goal of achieving it na. Kasi nakita ko dito, it's causing some parang sadness na yun nga, bakit parang, o dapat nagawa na natin ito ngayon na, bakit hindi pa rin? Or di ba napagplanuhan natin ito ngayon, bakit madedelay na naman? Parang ganun. So, it's, of course, it's a frustration and frustration um, equates din somehow to sadness as shown here by the Five of Cups. Kaya dito, parang nakakabit din with Five of Cups is yung Two of Swords, which is a card of parang choices and compromise, di ba? Kung may mga activities kayo, that causes nga yun nga, mga delay, yung slow movement sa relationship. You have to be proactive nga, and it's a choice for you to do to make some compromises. Then, kailangan talaga kasi in a relationship na kayo, di ba? Hindi naman din parang puro priority ko, priority ko, priority ko. Priority niya, priority niya, priority niya. Hindi. Di ba? Kailangan ng ano, kasi couple na kayo, in partnership na kayo. So, priority mo at priority niya, plus for the priorities ng dalawa. So, kailangan talaga magkaroon ng good collaboration. And that's what I see naman kasi mag-shift na naman yung energy ninyo around this week from parang, sige na nga, tara, let's be proactive na to do this, i-align, parang isaayos na yung mga plans natin. And as shown here by the Page of Pentacles, here is, there will be tangible actions. Nakikita naman na siya nga into actions. Hindi na lang siya parang puro plano, plano, plano. Okay? Magmamaterialize na siya, shown here by the Page of Pentacles. And it will resolve whatever yung um, issues, shown here by the Seven of Wands, which is uh, overcoming whatever yung mga naging cause ng sadness and challenges sa relationship. And dito, there will be, ano na, the Temperance card is, yun nga, there will be more balance and moderation na when it comes to, uh, how to say, yung mga activities nyo together, there will be more balance na. Kaya mas mag yung parang slow movement or mga medyo na delay na mga activities, parang mag-shift na siya into not fast, but a better a flow dun sa relationship. Na mag-shift siya to King of Pentacles, which is, like here, energy ng King of Wands. So, King of Pentacles, there will be action talaga. Okay? There will be parang yung proactiveness here na nakikita energy, it will be put into action and it will result to a new phase or a new level, milestone in the relationship, and there will be more clarity and in a sense na yung mga plans will be put into reality na. Okay? And bottom of the deck, or you don't see coming, is this energy of the Empress, which is abundance. Okay, so once na nag-progress na kayo dito, nag-shift na kayo from the slow to grow, di ba? Diba, ang ganda nun, slow to grow. From slow to grow, or yung growth uh, nung flow sa relationship niyo, hindi na siya parang teka, ang bagal ah. So, nag-move forward na siya in a faster than usual energy, and it's resulting to abundance. So, mapapansin niyo yung shift and yung parang, uy, buti na lang ginawa natin kasi now we're in this position. May ganong energy na paparating. Okay? So, sana nakatulong itong reading na to. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Dito lang sa aking channel. Ako si Mystico Moreno, or in short, mismo. Kita-kits, ingat, and um, love and light sa lahat ng Aries dahil mag-Aries season na. Okay, ingat!